Students, now I am going to give a simple trick about multiplication. So if you multiplied by 9, so what you will get the answer. So if you don't know the answer, so by using this trick you can get an answer easily, and it is a very helpful for you, and you can improve your mental ability for this. See, here I given an example: multiply by 10 and then subtract the original number. See, 967 za. So I'm asking you a question. If you multiplied with the 967, so what you will get the answer? 603. See here, sometime you don't know the answer, right? So then what you will do? 67 multiplication of 10, 67 tens are 670. So you all know what you will get the answer if you multiplied by 10. So you'll get a 670. So here the simple trick is you need to add only 0, right? 67 with a 0. So 67 tens are 670. Then after got this answer 670, you need to subtract the original number. What is the original number? So 67. So in 67, so you need to subtract with the 670. So in 670 you need to subtract the 67, you will get an answer 603, right? So the here the second question. So I am going to tell you 77 into 10. 77 tens are 770. Then in 770 you need to subtract the 77. So what you will get the answer? 693. So you can multiply it with a 9. 977 is a 693. You will get a same answer. The tricky is 77. If you multiply it with the 10, you will get a 770, and in 770 you need to subtract a 77. So you'll get a 693, right? So I think it's a big number for you all. I will give a only simple number. So that is 15 multiplied with 9. 15 nines are 135. So like that only, if you don't know the answer of this question, right? So then what you should do? 15 into 10. What you will get the answer? 150, right? So in 150, that is called original number. In 150, you need to subtract a 15. So what is the answer here, students? 135. See, 15 nines are 135, right? So like that, what you got the answer here? 135 only. In 150, you need to subtract a 15, that original number. So you will get a 135. So I think it's a helpful for you all. If you got any multiplication problems, you can follow this. So have a great day. Thank you.